Stocks fell Monday morning ahead of the start of corporate earnings season, declining after last week's rally sent the S&P 500 to its best weekly gain since 1974. Crude oil prices rose after President Donald Trump said in a Twitter post Monday morning that OPEC Plus oil output cuts would be double the amount reported earlier. On Sunday, OPEC and its allies said they agreed to a production cut of nearly 10 million barrels per day to help ease a mounting supply glut, a margin of reduction that analysts at Goldman Sachs called insufficient to stem a supply glut as the coronavirus simultaneously dents energy demand. Over the weekend, coronavirus cases in the U.S. showed some broadening signs of stabilization, with the growth rate in domestic cases falling for a second straight day on Sunday, according to a Bloomberg analysis of Johns Hopkins data. U.S. cases were up 5.4% to top 542,000 Sunday afternoon, slowing from a rise of 5.6% Saturday and 7.9% on Friday. In New York, the U.S. epicenter of the virus, the coronavirus-related death toll fell for a third straight day to 758 on Sunday. However, this marked the sixth consecutive day that deaths were more than 700 in a 24-hour period, underscoring that the death rate, while apparently plateauing, was doing so at a high level across the state. New York's overall death toll was 9,385 as of Sunday. Institutions around the world have been working at a breakneck pace to try and develop a vaccine for the novel coronavirus. 70 vaccines are currently in development and 3 have already begun testing in human trials, the World Health Organization said in a weekend update. With early signs of a leveling off of new cases, officials have addressed the notion of alleviating the social distancing measures put in place over the past several weeks across the country. Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergies and Infectious Diseases, said on CNN that loosening social distancing measures in some parts of the nation could probably start at least in some ways maybe next month, while acknowledging that the easing is not going to be a light switch and will instead be a more gradual, rolling re-entry. But even when social distancing begins to let up, it likely won't spell the end of coronavirus containment policies, with months more of these measures likely to occur in fits and starts, according to one Federal Reserve official. Neil Kashkari, Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis president, said on CBS Sunday that we should all be focusing on an 18-month strategy for our healthcare system and our economy. Looking at other countries coping with the outbreak, he noted that relaxing economic controls tended to lead to another flare-up in the coronavirus, necessitating renewed social distancing measures. Whether the only or one of many, the current wave of social distancing measures assembled through a patchwork of state, local and federal mandates has already dented the U.S. economy, leading millions of individuals to become unemployed in the past several weeks alone. New economic data set for release later this week is expected to show a sharp drop in retail sales and new home construction as the coronavirus outbreak grinds business activity across many sectors to a halt. We have always said the V-shaped recovery was too optimistic, but waves of subsequent shutdowns mean that our gradual recovery is too optimistic, as well, Seth Carpenter, chief U.S. economist for UBS, wrote in an email Sunday. 10:46 a.m. Eastern Time, stocks fall further, Dow sheds 400-plus points. Stocks extended losses as trading rolled on Monday morning. The real estate and financials sectors led declines in the S&P 500. Caterpillar and American Express were the biggest laggards in the Dow, dropping 8.4% and 6.5%, respectively. Here were the main moves in markets, as of 10:46 a.m. Eastern Time. S&P 500, GSPC, minus 54.77 points, minus 1.96% to 2,735.05. Dow, DJI, minus 495.88 points, minus 2.09% to 23,223.49. Nasdaq, IXIC, minus 75.42 points, minus 0.91% to 8,080.96. Crude oil, CL equals F, plus 65 cents, plus 2.86% to $23.41 a barrel. Gold, GC equals F, $8.70, minus 0.50% to $1,744.10 per ounce. 10-year Treasury TNX, plus 2.4 bits per second to yield 0.746%. 10:28 a.m. Eastern Time, Amazon says it will hire another 75,000 employees as demand remains elevated. Amazon said Monday it is hiring another 75,000 workers across its warehouse, shopper and delivery roles as social distancing measures sharply increase demand for the company's delivery services. The new positions will be in addition to the 100,000 the company already brought on over the past 4 weeks, it said in the statement. We know many people have been economically impacted as jobs in areas like hospitality, restaurants, and travel are lost or furloughed as part of this crisis, and we welcome anyone out of work to join us at Amazon until things return to normal and their past employer is able to bring them back, according to the statement. We also continue to invest in pay increases and previously expected to spend $350 million to increase wages during this unprecedented time. We now expect that to be over $500 million. Shares of Amazon were up 2.9% to $2,102.51 each as of 10:29 a.m. Eastern Time, outperforming the broader market. 9:33 a.m. Eastern Time, stocks open lower. Dow drops 100-plus points. Stocks kicked off Monday's session on the decline, edging lower after the holiday weekend in the U.S. Here were the main moves in markets, as of 9:33 a.m. Eastern Time. S&P 500, GSPC, minus 20.45 points, minus 0.73% to 2,769.37. Dow, DJI, minus 170.93 points, minus 0.72% to 23,548.44. Nasdaq, IXIC, minus 35.76 points, minus 0.45% to 8,116.25. Crude oil, CL equals F, plus 62 cents, plus 2.72% to $23.38 a barrel. Gold, GC equals F, $18.30, minus 1.04% to $1,734.50 per ounce. 10-year Treasury TNX, plus 2.1 bits per second to yield 0.743%.